In this video, we will learn how to remove divided by zero error in Excel sheet. So let's start this my Excel sheet, and here I have some data, and I use here the one calculation. I use here the some formula. You can see here on formula bar, but here showing the some error divided by zero due to the blank cell over here. So on this data, so I'm going to remove this error. So I just remove the first cell, and I use here the if function. If b2 not empty, if b2 not empty, so not empty, then do the calculation a2 divided by 2, sorry, b2, okay, b2, okay, otherwise leave it blank. Okay, so I just press the enter key and drag this formula below, and you can see here the error is removed. So this is a way you can use this if function, and you can remove the error over here, okay, when in your blank data. Okay, so hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.